Hello guys, this is Mudassir from Mudassir's office, and in today's video we're gonna see how to write pygames properly. So let me run the game first. This is the game actually. We have two players moving here and there. We also have a ball that changes its direction whenever it hits the boundaries. So this is my final version of game, and in the code we can see we have two classes, player and ball. What player does, it draws some of the it draws two rectangle with the xy coordinates and health and width. We're also updating them in here. If the direction is up, we're moving up. If it's down, and we are also changing our position to down. In our ball we also have some of the coordinates and also velocities, x velocity and y velocity. Whenever the ball hit any of the boundaries, it should change its position to like accordingly. If it's positive from x, and it should remain positive, but the y should change. And here, like if they it hits some of the top boundaries, it should move accordingly on its opposite direction. This is all what it does. It checks whenever it hits some of the boundaries, and it should change its direction accordingly. In our draw method, we are drawing the ball again and again in our main loop. In the line we can draw the line. In collision, we're checking if the ball and the player are also collided, and if they does, it change the ball x coordinate, x velocity to negative. We have some of the objects here and here also. In the main loop, we're doing is we are checking if some of the keys press, like if up keys press, the direction should be up for player 1, and for down we are updating our player 1 down direction. If the key is W on your keyboard, the player 2 should change its position to up, and if the key is S, it should player 2 should be updating its position downwards. And we are here checking if the key is quit. So in here we are doing is we're checking we are drawing our players and all the necessary components of our game, like line. We're constantly drawing it again and again. We are drawing players, both of the players. We're also updating ball position and drawing it. We are also seeing if the ball and the player collision have been done actually. And in here we're updating our display. So this is the whole game actually. So it is not like a tutorial or something, and it is not also basic tutorial. You should have a little bit of knowledge of pygame and Python as well to understand this. So I hope you learned something. The code will be in the description. I'll attach the GitHub link, and also subscribe if you like it. For more videos, stay tuned.